What do you want? Apple sausage. Sorry, baby, we don't have any more in our house. Bake! You want to bake it? Yeah. Oh, apple. Baby. Okay, we're going to need apples and this sugar and then cinnamon. Mommy, did we pull in all of it? Yep, right. Not all of the cinnamon, just some of the cinnamon. So let's first start with cutting the apples. Baby knife. First, we're gonna shred off the skin off the apple, which we already did. You're eating them. So then we have to cut the apples. We cut them all into small pieces. The smaller, the better, so that it's easier to mash the sauce later. Daddy waiting for you. You have to finish cutting, Amanda. You mean baby? Yeah. My name is Baby Amanda. My name is Amanda, but I'm a baby. Yummy. If you want, you could eat some. Now that we cut these pieces, we're going to put them into the pan. So you just have to take them and then just dump them all in. And the rest is so easy. If you have, we have to mix them. No, you mean smash them and then we mix them. Now that we're finished chopping them, we put them into the pan right now. Next step is to put some water in it, and then we're going to cook it up. Now while it's boiling, let's just pour in some sugar. Next is this, and we just give it a little mix over there. Okay, that's good, I think. We're gonna wait for 20 minutes. Okay, the applesauce is almost ready. You have to make it for a little while, and then you could go bigger and do applesauce to get a cute little baby. Oh, she's so cute. I'm going to Tot. Whoa. During the 20 minutes, you need to check how the applesauce is doing. Now let's open it and see. It's not ready yet, so we have to keep it cooking. I made really hard to make applesauce, and my sister did so jubilee. I wish we could eat it now, but it still has to bake a little. 5 more minutes. Right now, that's 1 minute, that's 2 minutes, that's 3 minutes. It's gonna be done. It's so jubilee. I wish we could play with this. Look at my hands. It's going. These applesauce look so ready. Now that we're just gonna dump them, we're just gonna put all of them into the jar. Let me help you melt it too. No, I'm gonna do it for you. Baby ice cream. Baby, yummy applesauce ready. And mine. No, do mine a lot. the jars, we're just going to sprinkle a tiny little bit of the cinnamon powder. If you want, you can put as much as you want, but we're just going to do a tiny bit. I don't like it. If you don't like it, I'll eat it. I'm just going to mix it now. And now, Amanda, you said you and your dolly are hungry, right? Now, eat your applesauce. And the cinnamon naturally makes it taste kind of good. But then the little baby grows big old. I love it so